Baba Bode George. Baba Bode George. Kí lẹ̀ ń wí lẹ́nu yìí? Lẹ́yìn náà, ẹ̀yin náà, tọ̀, ẹ má bínú sà. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nínú ilé, ẹ bá mi gbọ́ ohun tí Mr. Bode George jà. Kẹ́ fi opinion yín sílẹ̀. Re Ghana mọ́ sà. Àmúṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tó bá ti wọlé ẹ máa lọ Ghana, so re Ghana mọ́. Ó dáa.
Eminent leaders and representatives of Lagos State, led by the chairman of the All Progressives Congress Governance Advisory Council, Tajuddin Olusi, have met with elder statesman and former national deputy chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Baba Bode George, to seek his cooperation with the president-elect Bola Tîñúbü. The meeting was held over the weekend at Bode George's office in Ikoyi, Lagos. The delegation, comprising national leaders of the All Progressives Congress, led by the chairman, Governance Advisory Council, say the move was to achieve a common goal: cordiality, unity, and cooperation between both parties for the betterment of Lagos State and the nation. On his part, Bode George said they had a robust discussion on unity of purpose, but maintains he would likely congratulate the president-elect based on the outcome of the Presidential Election Tribunal.
This is really a gathering of eminent Lagosians, representative of Lagos community, in all respects, to agree, on the mission of this delegation, that we in Lagos and with Chief Bode George as a person should give our support to the president-elect, maybe from now or maybe immediately after he assumed office on the 29th of May, as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for the good of Lagos and for the betterment of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That we must work together, we will have differences, we can disagree, we must not be disagreeable. And well, they made a request, which we are all looking at, that someday we should also congratulate Asiwaju. We had said yes, but I belong to a political party. They are all in the court now. Let us finish the decisions in the court. Whichever way that goes, then the issue of congratulating him or not will come to fruition. I have nothing personal, and nothing happens without the Almighty God. As a believer, that's my own school of thought. But this union, this camaraderie, this discussion we have had, it's a very positive step towards a new Lagos.